भैया जितना जल्दी हो सके इतना जल्दी आ जाओ, क्योंकि धूप अभी तक सर पे आई नहीं है हमारे टेरेस में। कूल वाली मौसम है बिल्कुल एकदम, और छाँव ही छाँव है, धूप बिल्कुल कोने पे है, और मुझे अपने टेरेस में दूर दूर तक कहीं धूप दिख नहीं रही। तो बराह करम अपने तशरीफ आवरी को जल्द अज जल्द पॉसिबल बनाए। शुक्रिया।
Assalamualaikum and welcome back to another episode after a really long time. So first of all, Eid Mubarak to each and every one of you. Have a blessed one, and just remember Palestinian people and everyone and all Muslim Ummah in your duas. हर ईद पे मेरा व्लॉग आता है, आज भी व्लॉग आएगा इंशाल्लाह। मेरी पूरी कोशिश होगी कि मैं ये एडिट करके सब कुछ करके आज ही अपलोड कर दूँ, आज नहीं तो कल इंशाल्लाह, लेकिन आज इंशाल्लाह। And I have seen many posts on Facebook, Instagram, many tweets about Eid, like there was a tweet, it was like, if you are mature enough you don't get ready for Eid or you don't dress up for Eid, और मुझे देख के बड़ी हैरानियत हुई, and I'm really sorry to say but it's not maturity. Like celebrating Eid is sunnah in our religion, So today is Eid day, और ईद की जो मेन चीज़ होती है वो होती है फोटो। Like I don't change my Facebook profile pictures ईद के अलावा, मैं कभी भी चेंज नहीं करता, सीधी सी बात, क्योंकि और कभी हम पिक्चर्स लेते ही नहीं है ना, अब आदत ही ख़त्म हो गई। तो भाई अभी हम जा रहे हैं फ़ोटोशूट, सही है, और ये व्लॉग उसी के अराउंड है, सही है। सो देयर विल बी अ फोटोशूट इन दिस व्लॉग एंड देयर विल बी अ Q&A आफ्टर फोटोशूट व्हेन आई रिटर्न, जब मैं वापस आ जाऊँगा, सही है। तो या अभी ये सीन है, फिर आपसे सीधा वहीं पे मुलाकात होती है। ये हमारी लोकेशन आज, सही है, पीछे उल्टा हो रहा है वो होने दो,
वापस गए अच्छे तरीके से खड़ा होकर
ये होता है शूट का, ये होता है शूट का।
जल्दी वापस जाओ तुम वहीं खड़े हो, तुम्हारी मांग आ रही है, मेरी मांग आ रही है, साकिब आ जाओ।
हमारी शूट वूट हो गई, अब हम घर चलेंगे, सही है, और फिर Q&A करेंगे छोटा सा। So alhamdulillah we are back at home. It was good, the shoot was good, alhamdulillah. Fashion, film or cinematics, do let me know if you liked it or not in the comments, do let me know in the comments. And now we'll do a short Q&A, really short Q&A, like only 7 to 8 questions, that's it. What are your future plans? By the way, love your work. So I haven't thought about anything right now, but the thing is I used to think about these things, like my future plans. I used to make plans, I used to make goals, but soon I realized that things are not in our hands. Like हर चीज़ हमारे हाथ में नहीं है। तो प्लान करना अच्छी बात है, गोल्स रखना अच्छी बात है, बट ये नहीं सोचना कि अगर आपने प्लान कर लिया तो वो चीज़ होगी ही होगी, नहीं होती, सही है ना, बाज़ औक़ात नहीं होती, तो डिसहार्टन नहीं होना। सो आई हैवंट थॉट एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, बट राइट नाउ मेरी जर्नी एक बहुत अच्छी तरह से जा रही है, और इंशाल्लाह आई एम प्रीटी पॉजिटिव दैट इट विल गो विद द सेम फ्लो दैट इट इज़ गोइंग राइट नाउ। योर फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट एवर एज अ फ्रीलांसर वीडियो एडिटर? A little correction here. So this guy asked me about first freelance video editor project, and by mistake I answered him about my first ever freelance graphic designing project. That was a bit of mistake, so we'll talk about it some other day. Let's continue with the video. My first project was in 2017, 2018, I don't remember, when I started Fiverr, and I received an order for like $4. Yeah, it was a flyer, it was a brochure design or flyer design, I don't remember exactly, but it was for $4. So my first income was, you can say, $4. The first project. Best 3D animation teacher and great work, OP. Thank you so much. Best 3D animation teacher. I don't know about 3D animation. Like I have a little info, like what it is and everything. I have little details. I know something, but not everything. So मैं आपको नहीं बता सकता कि टीचर कौन है कौन नहीं है. But if you want to learn After Effects, like if you want to learn animation 2D animation, I don't know what to call it. Then obviously GFX Mentor and Amir Bhagat, I teach stuff. They both are legends. Like After Effects, Adobe Premiere, जो सीखना है सीख लो. सही है. How do you deal with a creative block? That's a good question actually. So how do I deal with the creative block? At first, when I used to get in that creative block and I was not able to create anything, I used to procrastinate stuff, and I usually didn't do anything, like didn't do anything productive. I just waited for that block to go away, and that was the biggest mistake that I made in the past. But now if I ever feel that I'm in the creative block, I do alternate stuff that makes me happy, like alternate productive things, like even talking to my friends about productivity or productive things. Like when I talk to my friends with productive things and stuff, it naturally opens my mind, and I think that it had helped me a lot. Like I have edited so many videos in the past 4 to 5 months, and alhamdulillah, I haven't been in a creative vlog since a very, very long time, like 5 to 6 months. I haven't been in a creative vlog with anyone's content, because I have a solution. Talk to your friends about productive things. Just don't waste your time when you're in creative vlog. The biggest mistake is wasting your time when you already know you can't be productive. That's it. Any plans for next short film? So I have some ideas already. I have some scripts, like not some script, but I have a little script written already about a short film, about a story. I have a story, everything ready in my mind, but this time I want to take my time with the production and with the shooting and everything. Like I want to buy equipment, I want to do stuff, level up the game, like I did in The Hustle. I did take my time in The Hustle short film, and alhamdulillah it turned out to be good. I don't want to rush things, whether it will be 5 months, 6 months, a year, I don't know. I don't want to rush things for the next short film. That's it. How is it like working for Ish Everything? Ish Everything is really a good friend of mine. Working for Ish Everything taught me many things that I wouldn't have learned if I wasn't working for him. At first I only edited my videos. I didn't know about other videos and other style, other content style and everything. Like every other creator has its own style. It changed a lot for me when I started working for Ish Everything. Like there was new content, there was new things, there was long duration videos, and it helped me a lot at getting better in editing. So yeah, so working with him is good, alhamdulillah. Every time working and new things, working with new content, and yeah, it's good, alhamdulillah. That's it. How much important YouTube is for you? I didn't understand the question actually, like in what sense have you asked me this, but I'll try to answer it. Like at first I started, I wasn't serious, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't serious about YouTube. I was like, it's a new thing, I'm loving it, I'll just keep doing it until I get bored. But alhamdulillah, I haven't got bored yet. It's been 3 years, alhamdulillah. Like YouTube is really important for me. Even my own channel is really important for me. I know that there is not so much audience, there's not so much stuff, but YouTube has really helped me with my freelancing work, and like my YouTube and my videos has given me an identity as far as I know. And alhamdulillah, I'm not gonna leave YouTube just because I'm not making money from it. I love making content for myself. YouTube is a platform for me to upload that content, so I'll keep making videos until I get bored. That's it. That's the same formula I started with, that's the same formula I'll end it with. So yeah, I hope it answers your question. So yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you so much again for sticking with me throughout the video, and Eid Mubarak to you all again. Eid Mubarak to you all, whoever is celebrating it. And please pray for Palestine, pray for every single place where Muslims are suffering and they are being terrorized and stuff. The situation is getting really worse. So yeah, just pray for them and remember them in your prayers. Remember me in your prayers, and I'll see you soon. By soon I mean really soon, inshallah. Take care.